Hi, this is Carrie from Trauma Services. Homeless and transient encampments are becoming a more frequent challenge for communities everywhere. We understand the tragic plight of people who are displaced, many of whom are suffering with addiction and other mental health issues, and we're sympathetic to their situation. However, homeless encampments present a range of very serious public health concerns. These hazards include human waste, trash and debris, illegal fires, needles and drug paraphernalia, and the spread of infectious disease. These public health hazards will often force local officials to take action to remove these encampments for the safety of the inhabitants, as well as the general public. At Trauma Services, our team of professional biohazard technicians will safely and securely remove and dispose of all items from existing homeless encampments. All biohazardous waste and materials will be safely removed and incinerated. We will also dispose of all trash, debris, tents, structures, and other items that are left behind. Removing a homeless encampment is not something that should be left to town or city workers. Only professional technicians with the correct PPE, training, and resources to safely dispose of biohazardous materials should attempt such a cleanup. We understand that dealing with homeless and transient encampments can be a very sensitive situation. Our professional team works with care to safely return the area to a clean and hazard-free space. Contact us today to learn how we can help.